Captain Ibrahim Traore is leading a healthcare revolution in Burkina Faso, breaking free from foreign aid and charting a new path for African self-reliance. But how is he making this happen? For decades, Burkina Faso's health system was underfunded and heavily reliant on foreign assistance. Many citizens, especially in rural areas, struggled to access basic care. But since taking power, Captain Traore has launched bold reforms that are reshaping the country's future. One of his first major moves was slashing medical costs by over 50%, easing the financial burden on struggling families. In 2024, he went even further, eliminating the $800 deposit required for major treatments, an amount nearly equal to the country's average annual income. By the end of 2024, over 50 specialist hospitals had been opened across the country, bringing modern healthcare to even the most remote areas. These facilities are staffed by Burkinabe doctors and nurses trained in a revitalized medical education program, ensuring healthcare remains in local hands. But Traore's vision goes beyond hospitals. In February 2025, Burkina Faso broke ground on its first pharmaceutical facility, aiming to produce essential medicines domestically. This is a direct challenge to Western pharmaceutical giants and a crucial step toward ending Africa's dependency on imported drugs. In addition, Traore has deployed mobile hospitals, an African first. These fully equipped medical units travel to isolated communities, providing care in conflict zones and regions where jihadist violence has displaced millions. Traore's approach is unprecedented. Instead of waiting for foreign aid, he is building a self-sufficient system, proving that African nations can take control of their own healthcare. These reforms haven't come without resistance. Western aid, long tied to political influence, has been reduced since Burkina Faso pivoted away from foreign control. But instead of backing down, Traore redirected funds from bloated government spending to frontline services. His administration even built a state-of-the-art 500-bed hospital in the capital, a testament to his commitment to self-reliance. Captain Ibrahim Traore is proving that African nations don't have to depend on outside forces to thrive. His reforms challenge the status quo, prioritizing people over politics.
When you see a visionary leader, when you see a leader who knows his onions and knows what he's supposed to do per time, you will see that he's very focused. Ibrahim Traore is not somebody that listens to, oh, we are waiting for the whites to come and help us, we are waiting for the West to come and help us. He goes all out to ensure that his people get the best. I think the guy had the roadmap already before taking over power. It doesn't concern us whether he toppled the government to become who he is today. That is not our business. Our business is that, is he doing the job? Like, I watched a video where somebody was saying that they should not take Ibrahim Traore seriously because Ibrahim Traore is a man that toppled the government. He did not follow democracy. I'm like, they have been doing democracy for the longest. What did they gain from it? What was their gain? They gained nothing. Every other time you see them, people are poor, people are being unalived. There were security issues. Like they mentioned earlier, their healthcare was seriously underfunded and they were depending solely on the white. And he came, you can say that most of the things Ibrahim Traore is doing it alone and for the people. He just wants to better the people, not the one that you will be waiting for one foreign aid and they will come and take advantage of you, harvest your natural resources and use it to their own advantage. But in this case, it's not like that. Ibrahim Traore is doing his best, building houses, sorting out their educational sector. And he mentioned in one of his recent interviews that he doesn't want to see his people travel out of their country to go look for greener pastures again. And for the fact that they underrate them, they take them for granted, they give them jobs, menial jobs to do and underpay them, was not going to happen. Ibrahim Traore also did a law. Those of you who have been following this channel, know he did a law that he talked about how a lot of people are getting land in Burkina Faso, that he will not allow that happen again. There will be no such, you can't buy land. What you can do in Burkina Faso is to rent or lease a property, and after that, you leave it for the people, which is good. And he has really, really tried for his people. He has ensured that, all the things they've been facing in the past stops, like all the lag everything right now. If you look at Burkina Faso, you see that their security is seriously, standard, not in those days where rebels can just take over a particular region. And this has really, really worked for the Ibrahim Traore administration. And somebody asked him in one interview we watched recently, he said that when is Traore going to hand over, because they call him the transitional president, because he didn't come to stay, he's transitioning. So they're asking him, what is he going to do? When is he going to conduct elections? And now he's saying that should he conduct election when people are still very poor? What kind of leader will he be when he's seeing that things are bad and he's trying to now make the things worse? What kind of person will he be? I don't know if you get. Now, the people of Burkina Faso are super proud of their president. Look at how other African presidents are doing. They will look at, for example, Nigeria. Nigeria president is now helping one man from a particular state to now fight the governor and suspend the governor illegally. And then they're also trying to remove a sitting senator just because the senator said she accused the Senate president of trying to take advantage of her in the other way around, like that kind of thing. And now that's what they have forced the whole country to be fighting. You guys know very well I'm Nigerian and I love my country so much, but our problem in Nigeria, let me say it is an African problem. Most African leaders take advantage of the position they have been given. When somebody gives you a position to say you have become the person I want you to be going to leadership, it means that the person trusts you enough to use the resources well. But when you do not use that resources well, you are causing problems for yourself, because posterity will not forgive you, will not forgive your children. So when you are given any opportunity to become a leader, use it very well. Don't take it for granted. Use it very well to your own advantage, because you do not know whether your child will come out tomorrow and become anything. So when they look at the antecedent of the family, they'll say, no, the father was not a good leader, don't give him. This was not this, don't give him. Ensure that you use your position right. Ibrahim Traore today has set good precedents for himself. If Ibrahim Traore decides to get married, people said, oh, I read somewhere they say he's married, but his wife is not known to the public. Ibrahim Traore has a very private life. His parents are not known to the public. People do not know them, like they do not have a picture or a video of them. He is because the truth is, that he toppled the government. If they know anything about his family, they will definitely want to come for his family. But of course, his family now, they will be extra careful. If his parents are truly in Burkina Faso, he will be extra careful the kind of places they go to, because they do not want to be unalived. Because the truth is, if you topple a government, you are seriously at risk. And the truth is also, if Ibrahim Traore hands over to maybe conduct election and hands over, he needs to also leave Burkina Faso, because they will be after him. That is the way the African politicians behave. And the thing is, because they have not allowed colonization to leave them, they still want to be under colonial rule. And Ibrahim Traore of Burkina Faso, Mali, and Niger leaders, the AES, they have made themselves known that they have made it so clear that they cannot be under colonial rule again, because it has not benefited them. Those people come and act like they want to help them because they have seen the natural resources in the land of Africa, so that they can take it all and go and enrich themselves. The funny thing is, they take it from Africa, take it to their place, work on it, make it a byproduct, and send it back to Africa, selling it at a very exorbitant price. Meanwhile, the raw materials came from Africa. So guys, let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching this video. Ibrahim Traore has, fixed the health sector in Burkina Faso, and it is a very beautiful thing to watch. And he has said bye-bye to all these colonial masters who want to, take over the wealth of our people. We will not let them. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. We'll definitely see you guys in our next one. You guys are doing so well. For all of you who share these videos, God bless you. For all of you who like them, God bless you. You are doing a great job and we appreciate you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the other one. Bye for now. God bless.